It all emerged in March last year, when police arrested a former director of Petrobras, Brazil's state-controlled oil company, on accusations of money laundering. However, in a plea bargain, he admitted to much more, revealing details of a vast kickback and bribery scheme at the company. Prosecutors now believe that for much of the past decade, Petrobras executives conspired with Brazil's largest construction firms to inflate the value of Petrobras contracts by up to 3%. They then allegedly used this cash to get rich, pay bribes, and funnel money to politicians, mainly in the ruling Workers' Party and its allies. Analysts estimate that as much as $20 billion was stolen from the company. That's equivalent to almost half of the company's market value. However, the big problem now is that Petrobras' auditors, PwC, have refused to sign off on its financial statements. This means that Petrobras, which ranks as the world's most indebted oil company, is effectively cut off from capital markets and risks technical default for breaking the covenants on the rest of its debt. Petrobras has said that it is cooperating with the authorities. Brazil's economy is already facing a possible technical recession this year, and this scandal will likely make the situation worse. Firstly, if the government is forced to bail out Petrobras, that could cost the country its coveted investment-grade credit rating. Secondly, Petrobras will likely have to cut investments. This will take away a major driver of economic growth. Thirdly, Brazil's construction companies are also facing financial difficulties after many of their executives were arrested. Their projects, which include vital infrastructure works and even arenas for the 2016 Olympics, are now in doubt. President Dilma Rousseff has not been directly linked to the scandal, and she has denied any involvement. However, she was chair of Petrobras from 2003 to 2010, where much of the corruption allegedly took place. The scandal also comes at a particularly delicate moment for the government, as the country faces possible water and energy rationing this year after severe drought. Rousseff is also trying to introduce unpopular austerity measures to correct the country's fiscal situation. After less than 1 month into her second term, there have already been street protests calling for her impeachment.